Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new guidebook in the Airbnb application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. So in order to reach this function, you need to switch to hosting mode. And then just click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the guidebooks button. And click on the create button. And as you can see, if you click on this plus sign, you can add these several things to your guidebook, for example, places, neighborhoods, or city advice. So just type any place that you want to add, and then you need to categorize this place if it's a food scene or sightseeing. And then you can write some reason why you're recommending this place, and then you can add your own images. And if you're ready, just click on the add to guidebook, and now there's one place added. And as you can see, you can add the cover to your guidebook, you can choose listings, but if you don't want to do this, then just click on the done button. When then, yes, you have to choose a listing. So just click on the done button, and as you can see, your guidebook is created. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.